Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm just gonna tell you about a scam. I wouldn't say a scam, but a trend going on in YouTube where they say make money on YouTube without making videos. I mean, like I've also done a video on that topic before, like long back, but what has been happening is that they say you can make money on YouTube without making videos. But when you go inside, they say about Creative Commons. That is basically you can copy somebody else's video and then upload in your YouTube channel. If you're going to do this one, you're not going to make much money at all with YouTube AdSense. That's the true fact. That which something they don't say you. This is the reason I want to do this video. I want to show you, is there a way to make money on YouTube without making your videos? I mean, you see people are a little bit shy. They don't want to show your face. They don't want to, you know what I mean? They don't want to really don't want to talk as well, voiceover. There are few issues with people they want to make money, but they don't want to show the face and they don't want to do talking and like what I'm doing and stuff, all those things. So I just want to show you, if you can stay till end of the video, a true way, a real way where you can make money on YouTube without doing all these things, but not with the Creative Commons, not with copy paste of other people's videos. Okay, that's the main thing. Before even I start the video, this is my first channel. If you're first time watching, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, so it does help me with growing my channel. Anyway, just straight to the video. Just let me show you, just give you an idea what I just came in here. I just typed in make money online without making videos. See what is coming in. See this guy, he's a big guy. I do follow him as well. You can see this make money Matt. See the photo and image, just give you an idea. Just see this, see him, just I want to show what I'm trying to tell as a scam, not as a scam. I mean, they say like a kind of some issue going on here. See this, make money on, he's like a big guy. Okay, see the photo and see the image. Okay, then come here, see this guy Tommy Rab Bryson, he's a big guy as well. You see this same photo, same image. Let me go down, I'll show you how many people. The reason why I do follow, whenever, the reason why they say they do same like that is we do not reinvent the wheel. They say this image is working, so they're doing it. So that's not an issue. But I'll show you what I'm trying to tell you is all these people here. This, if you see, they make money on YouTube without making videos, make money on YouTube without making videos. Like 90% of the time they talk about Creative Commons videos. Copy this video, put it there. Copy this video, put it there. This is what they're talking about. If you come here, copy paste videos actually. See this again, the same thumbnail. Let's say same make money Matt. Let's just give you an idea. If you guys have this free extension, this is TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy. If you go here, this is one of the secrets of really, if you really want to grow your YouTube channel, just go and download this TubeBuddy. I'll leave a link below. It's free as well. See this, if I press here, just give you an idea why. If you see, after you type in make money online without making videos, if I go press results, see this, it will clearly show you like all these people are ranking. And if you see this, I'm not sure who's the first guy did that make money on. I think might be Tommy Bryson. I think he was the one first to do that video, and then Matt has copied from him. Like when I say copied, it's like it's like word by word, like a few things are changing out there. Like when there are a few difference in words and stuff. But what I'm trying to say is, all these people are 90% of the time they're talking about copying the Creative Commons videos and then trying to make money and all those stuffs, which is really not going to help you in any way or other. It's very hard. You're going to make much money with YouTube AdSense. I mean, I'm not sure with affiliate marketing, that's different. But with the YouTube AdSense, if you want to make money, that's going to be really, really tough with this kind of methods. What I really want to show you is exactly how people are making money still without making their own videos. When I say not talking like this or with a mic or with a voiceover, I'm just going to give you some examples how my mentor and one of my group members are doing as well. Let me show you a couple of them, so you know that there is a real way to make money on YouTube without making your own videos. But you have to work hard, you have to make the videos, but it will not be like what I'm doing, like showing your face or with a mic, voiceover, all those things you don't need to do. Let me show you some examples so you'll get an idea what's all about. You can see this. Let me show you first example. Okay, this is something you will not even thought of it, a niche, awesome niche, which many people wouldn't even thought of doing it. So that is also an idea I'm giving you. You can see this expats report. What this guy, I know is this guy, Chris, his name is part of the group. I'm also part of it. where I'll show you end of the video. I'll show you some softwares which I have used and he is using, and many of the top marketers are using in order to make these such videos. Okay, give me some time. Okay, see this, come in here, see all these videos. If you see, go on, just search expats, what is the name, expats report. Okay, so if you go and see these videos and all, nothing of his image or anything. If you go in here, you will see only auto images and videos.
Here are 3 pieces of advice from eToro users on how to
let me I need to play it, right? Let me play it and then I just mute the sound
trade.
Let me just to give you an idea of how it looks like, so you know what possibilities are there when I talk about. If you see, let me put the sound here.
A country of over 7,000 tropical islands scattered in the Pacific.
This, if you see, this he has taken it from a video thing. I want to show you. This has been taken Philippines documentary. Let me show you another one. This is not the one I'm talking about. Same channel. How he has grown to this much. I'll just give you a Philippines. Let me show you this one. Yeah, perfect. This is what I'm talking about. Videos like this, which does not require your face or your voiceovers. This is something called auto-generated videos or auto-generated.
34 reasons to date and marry a Filipina. Fancy a never-ending supply of videos,
you
reports,
understand how
news,
it looks
and
like?
free
Just
courses for expats worldwide? Too easy. Just take a moment to quickly subscribe and click the bell icon and you'll never miss out again. I've been living here in the Philippines for 12 months in November. And in that time...
You got the idea, right? So idea is this audio which you see and the video which you see are automatically generated. If you can wait till end of the video, I'll show you the software which I have used as well as he's using in order to make such videos. The most important thing for making such videos is the content. That's maximum 4 to 5 minutes. You just go and type it in Google, say that, why Filipinos, many people are marrying Filipina, that's according to it. You're going to get some content. Take that one, don't steal it, just do some changes to it and then go and I'll show you what basically you have to do is you have to take that content and then go and put it in the software and it's going to give you the video. That is how this is done. Okay, this is one of the easiest, I would say. Nothing is easy. You have to do hard work. You have to find the content. You have to go to the software. You have to put that content to it, and then it will automatically generate the video according to the wordings as well as the voiceover is automatically generated. If you want, you can change however you want actually. So this is there's a separate video I did on this software. I will leave a link below as well, which will help you to do this as well. Okay, so this is the first channel. An idea I'm giving you which is possible. I have done many of my videos, my previous videos, if you've seen in my other channel as well, I have done with this software. Okay, that's one thing where you can automatically generate videos and or voiceovers without, you just need to plug in the content, which is surely is easy. It's just the niche idea. You need to know whether you're going to, what kind of videos you want to do. I'm sure you'll be able to get the content out of it. That's one method. Okay, let me show you other channels, what they're doing, how they're making money rather than copying it. See this one guy, soothing relaxation. If you see, these are all will be like nothing else other than background waterfalls and a normal, like a soothing music for you to hear. Normally people don't even watch this. They just put it on just for their sleeping or some meditation. And these kind of channels are like killing it. I'm telling you, these guys are killing it with this. See this, they're doing a live and 3.5 3,500 people watching, 746 watching. All these are nothing but if you just give you an idea, 3 hours of music, nothing else other than a soft soothing music. This is
if you're looking to start an online business selling online courses or online
mute this one and
coaching, then I'd love to invite you to a live web class that I'm running.
I want to skip you and show you this one. So what exactly they have done, I'll just tell you as well, so that you get an idea that you just don't need to see this music and a background, and they will be having like waterfalls and stuff coming in at the back. This is all they have done. In order to do this, what do you need? If you just plug in, just go inside it, just to give you an idea. See, there's some old images, some images and the background music. This is exactly, he's been rolling it for 3 hours. And imagine the number of views. Oh my god, it's not really views, it's all just for listening they use it. So this is another niche, it's called relaxation music, which they use it for meditation, all those purposes. And what exactly you need for this? You just need a free editing software, OpenShot, your Windows Media Player, your iMovie Maker. This is all you need. And then you go to Unsplash, Pixabay, Pexels. These are all, I'll leave a link below if you want. These are all the places where you go and grab these kind of images and use any soothing music, which is freely available in YouTube audio itself. You know, YouTube gives you that free audios. This is what they are doing. I'm telling you guys, I know it will take a long video. If I want to show you everything, I'll do a separate video on how to put together such, take the image, take the audio, club together, and you should be good to go. This is all they have done with this channel, and imagine the number of views and the subscribers they have. What I'm trying to say here is you can make money on YouTube, that's true, without just depending on these Creative Commons videos or trying to copy other people's videos and copy pasting it. And then when you try to apply for the AdSense account, YouTube might not like it. YouTube might not really promote your channel. YouTube might not, because they know it's a duplicate content. I mean, although it is Creative Commons videos, you can't expect more out of it. You can't make money much out of it. That's what I'm trying to say. There are other ideas and niche where you can really make money, such with YouTube as well, okay, without like showing a face, without talking overs and stuff, talking voiceovers. So this is the second idea. I showed you the first one, the Thai expert report. The next one is soothing relaxation. The next one I'll show you. This is interesting as well. This is like, if you see, it's called Robotus Gym, 3.3 million. I'm telling you guys, this, when you start a YouTube channel or you're doing, if you want to make money, don't even think you can achieve this within like 1 month or so. No, it does take time and hard work. Minimum 2 years, 3 years, you need to work on this. And then after that, it is easy money. Until then, it is hard work, okay? Always remember that. Minimum 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, you need to stick to it and then keep pumping out videos. Don't do just 1 or 2 videos and expect money to come. It will not happen. You know that you need to have 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 watch time in order to get the AdSense account, right? YouTube AdSense. So that's also, you need to keep working on it. Anyway, so this channel here, what they have done, nothing else than a cartoon exercise videos. This
in
is like,
5, 4, 3, 2.
Anyway, so what I'm trying to say is this is also easy to make, but a little more hard work. Doing these kind of there's a software for this actually. I forgot that software actually. I'll drop the software if I get it. I can't remember the name, where you can just modify the way you do exercise and then it will give you a cartoon image of it. This is literally they have done. You're just showing an exercise in a cartoon way and they are making money out of it. It's like simple, guys. I mean, I shouldn't say always simple and easy. It does require hard work. I'm sure these guys are making a lot of money now. I'm sure at least 2 to 3 years they have struggled in order to build this channel, and after that it's like ready money. Like this is truly a passive income, we will say, when it after 2 years, 3 years of hard work. This is how they're making money. Anyway, so the idea today is, what I'm trying to say is, you can still make money on YouTube without making your own videos. Like it's like with the face and all those voiceovers, and not just depend on the Creative Commons. That's the whole concept of it. You can make like what I've showed you. This could be the best way, I feel. I'll show you a software I showed you, right? I told you that I'm going to, one more channel I put here. See this one. I'm sure this is also another niche. You would have seen such videos of crazy video which is keep playing about comparison videos. This is also another good niche. There's also a software for this. These are all I studied in my one of my course, actually, through my mentor. I was mentioning I forgot that one. I'll see if I remember. I'll drop that. A software is there. You can get the statistics from Statista and other channels about different companies, and then you put together, and then you will be able to make such videos of this. See this 14 point. He recently started, I think, this guy. See 14,000 subscribers. I'm sure he is building up this channel. The thing is, when you do such different niche, you're really unique from others, and you are really good to grab attention, and then you can make money out of it, rather than just like doing same like other people what they're doing, you'll have more competition. Doing such something unique and different, whatever I showed you today is completely different. Many people don't do that. This is what I'm trying to say, guys. I know I also want to start like 5 or 6 channels of all ideas, but I don't have time. Okay, what I'm trying to say is like of course I also want to do, but I'm an individual man trying to run this channel, so it is very hard. I do many things, but anyway, I'm giving you some ideas which I've learned from my mentor, so I'm just sharing it with you. And most important thing, what I have for you to start your whatever I taught you now, I would say this is the software which has been used by me and many people, which is called Vidnami, which is previously called Content Samurai. I have done a proper demo of this in my channel. I will leave a link below to it. This is it's like a monthly version, but I'm telling you, you just try it for free and you will love it. This is like, even if you want to do a video same like Gary Vee, Vaynerchuk, how he's doing videos like, the social media videos where you see the titles and the captions running, you can do with this as well. And this first channel which I showed you, the expat report, is done through this software as well. See this is exactly, you can see this. You just need to put in some content of 2 minutes or 1 minute content, and you will be able to get automatically generated videos according to the words. If it is like breakfast, it gives you the breakfast videos. If it is like a man walking, a computer man, if it anything to do with working, it will automatically generate a video about somebody working on the computer. This is how the cool, so you can literally change it if you want. If you don't like it, you can easily change it. I've done a proper demo. I don't want to do this and make this video too long. I will link the demo in the description, so you can watch. See this is what I'm talking about. Similar to Gary Vee videos, you can see this at the top. You can see this, the way you talk, you'll be able to get the wordings, captions. It is free. It is a monthly version, but you get like 14 or 1 month. I think 14. I forgot. 14 days free. I think you can test it out once you're happy, and then you can go for it. I'm sure if you really want to make money on YouTube in a way where you want to without showing a face, and this could be a starting point. Once you start doing it, this is how I started as well, guys. I'm telling you, still today my mentors use this channel. I use this Vidnami for their sales videos. Many things can be done, not just sales. Your YouTube, you can use it for your social media, for whatever channels you can use this one. It's an awesome software. Still, it is doing really good. I'm sure you will love it once you test it out. This is the guy. This is like literally, I want to give you the heads up that you can still make money on YouTube without showing a face and without your voiceovers, and most importantly, not depending just on creative comment like other people's videos to copy and paste and stuff. Okay, that's the main goal of this video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and comment, so that it will help me grow my channel. And if you see this is the first time, make sure you can subscribe and hit the bell icon, so it will help me to grow my channel. I'm all about make money online videos. Any way or other, each and every video will help you in learning new websites or new ideas on how to make money online. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.